Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crafty Lefty. I'm Tanya and today I'm going to show you how to piece together this wonderful, gorgeous patchwork quilt block called Dutchman's Puzzle. That's right, so this quilt block I actually pieced together using my scrap fabrics once again. It is a great idea to use up your scrap fabrics for all these patchwork quilt blocks. Let me just show you guys what it looks like. It's really pretty. I love how it turned out. I love how the colors go really well. And for this particular patchwork, it's all triangles. Yeah, all triangles. And usually the standard quilt blocks that people usually sew are about like 12 inches by 12 inches. But for all that I've been showing you guys is a 21 centimeter by 21 centimeter square block. So yeah, actually the size is totally up to you because with these patchworks you can actually sew a quilt, you can sew a skirt, bags, pouches, placemats, coasters, anything. So you can make it bigger or smaller, totally up to you. It doesn't even have to be a square depending on what you're making. So yeah, sky's the limit to your creativity. But for this video, it's only to show you how to piece it together to make it easier to actually piece this particular pattern. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give a thumbs up if you like this video, comment and share. watching my video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Do leave a comment below in the comment box if you liked it, and if you've tried this pattern before, or whether you think that the colors look nice, whether I did a good job in making the whole thing match. I mean, I know I feel that I did, but you guys can always let me know what you think. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give a thumbs up, like this video, comment, and share. Until my next video, see you guys. Bye!